Hey my lovely people, let me invite you for a moment to Lithuania, where I come from. In Lithuania now it's autumn time. All my friends pick mushrooms in forest, wild mushrooms. They're so delicious, flavorful. And I got so jealous. They make all these delicious dishes from mushrooms, and I was like, I need mushrooms in my life. So today I made this gorgeous mushroom bruschetta. It's not simple mushroom bruschetta, it's with truffles and chive oil, which you can make at home, like in 5 minutes, I promise. The recipe is on my website. And it pairs very well with crisp glass of Sauvignon Blanc. Let me show you how I made it. Take bruschetta toasts and top with mushrooms. Then sprinkle some fresh parsley on the top and drizzle a little bit of chive oil. You can find the recipe of chive oil on my website. There you go. Grab some crisp glass of Sauvignon Blanc and enjoy. So tasty, delicious, very aromatic, from truffles, from chive oil. Everything is balanced and delicious. See you later, guys.